In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game My Little Universe on PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and after that we quickly need to search this game up at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy this game at Steam, we are going to download it on another website. Quickly search up the game My Little Universe, select the game, after that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game at Steam is €14.79. Now what you need to do is follow the workaround and click on the link in the video description where it says find game here, then you will be redirected to this page. Now search for the same game My Little Universe and select the game. After that sort by price lowest first, and once you have done that you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, very important, otherwise it won't work, and then select the game. Now once you have selected the game page will be opened, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €1.65 compared to the Steam price of €14.79. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game for just €1.65, you will receive a Steam key to activate this game within Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.